So here's the high pressure 8-inch Rainfall stainless steel shower head slash handheld combo with 60-inch hose, anti-leak shower head with holder, flow regulator, and also comes with chrome 4 shower hooks. I do have the hooks, but I don't have them installed in this shower. So I really did want to give you a closer look at it. You can really see the little nodules, and it's reflective so you can see yourself when the water's not running. Here's a handheld, you get a good look at it too. Now to see it in action. And here you can listen to it in a sec. It's really giving off a good rainfall streaming effect. And there's a knob to switch to the handheld. This gives a nice overall wash. This is the in-between. And this is the power stream. I really do like the shower head. It's got a nice sleek design, so it really matches with about any bathroom. It was very easy to install, and it's got a nice good flow. It fits all the things I need for a shower head.